Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy Haitian vegan pasta. Yes, I said vegan pasta. So for this, we are going to be needing some spaghetti. Each of these bags are a pound, so a total of 2 pounds of spaghetti. And I am going to be using half a bell pepper cut up and half a tomato and 1 whole onion. And I have 2 tablespoons of my Haitian spice. Be careful guys, if you are making vegan, do not add the Maggi cube to your Epis. I do have a video up showing you exactly how I make that. And you're going to be needing some fresh parsley just to make your plate nice and pretty. And I'm using 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And you are going to be needing a little bit of ground clove and some olive oil. And you are going to be needing some water to boil your pasta, and of course some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking guys. So to get started, you want to go ahead and turn on your stove to medium high. And before you start cooking your spaghetti, you want to boil your pasta of course. But before you do that, you want to go ahead and flavor your water. And by doing that, you want to add some salt. We want to make sure that pasta has some good seasoning before we add it into our sauce. So now I'm going to allow it to boil before I put in that pasta. Now it's time to put in our pasta. I like to break my pasta. I know some people don't. Okay. Now one thing you don't want to do is overcook the pasta. So I'm going to let it cook for only 10 to 12 minutes. And once it's done cooking, I'm going to go ahead and drain the water and set the pasta to the side as I'm making that sauce. Now it's time to make that sauce. You want to go ahead and turn your stove to medium high again. And I'm going to put about 1/3 cups of oil. And now you want to go ahead and put in that Epis. Okay. And I'm going to allow this to brown just a little bit before I put my tomatoes and my onions and stuff. Now you want to go ahead and add that tomato, put in your onion, okay? You want that Epis to be nice and brown, but you also don't want it to burn. Put in my pepper. And somebody asked me where I purchased this. I got this right off Amazon, so if you're interested, you can go check it out on Amazon. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in that tomato paste as well. Just stir everything together. And I'm going to allow this to fry for a good 3 to 5 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of that clove powder. If you guys have seen my other Haitian spaghetti video, I use the whole clove, which I don't do anymore thanks to a wonderful subscriber. And I'm going to add some salt to this. Of course, you want to be careful with the salt. You don't want to over salt your food. And I'm going to add some black pepper, okay? And mix everything up. I'm going to add just a little bit of water just to get everything mixed nicely together. And now allow this to simmer, cover it up, turn your stove down to like a low. Allow it to simmer for a good 10 minutes before we add our pasta. Now you want to go ahead and put in that pasta, nice and slow. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and also come snap with me on Snapchat. And I do have another YouTube channel which I do speak Haitian Creole in when I make these videos, so make sure you check out that channel. All link will be down in the description box for you guys to check out. Okay. And now what we are going to do is make sure we mix everything. You want to make sure each piece of that noodle have some of that sauce. Okay, we don't want to leave anybody feeling left out. So like I said, mix it well. And once you do all that, you are going to cover it back up. Still leave your heat to medium low, and we're going to allow this to simmer for another good 10 minutes. All right, my spaghetti is all done. Of course, I want to go ahead and taste. It actually tastes like the ones when I put in the sausage. It tastes so good, guys. And again, please, if you are going to try this recipe, if you are using that green seasoning, that Epis, do not put any Maggi cube in your Epis. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and dish. I'm using this plate over here. Put my noodle right in the center. I'm going to put just a little more, just like that. And then now you want to take that fresh parsley and just put it right on top of your noodle, and it should look just like this. And this will do it for this video, guys. I hope this helped most of my vegan friends and families out there. I know my friend Miguel might enjoy this video. If you're watching this video, Miguel, I hope you try this recipe. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And if you try this recipe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.